guys, in CWQ here, and thought I would make a video. Y'all might hear my granddaughter being frustrated because it's her bedtime, but we're going to get this through this. About 4 hours and 9 minutes ago, there was a 5.6 earthquake. It was 8 kilometers deep, and it was in the Gulf of California. We're going to go take a look at this area, and then we're going to look at something else that's going on in there. Now, I have not looked at this on Google Earth yet, so we're going to go and look at this area. Get this into Google Earth. Okay, here we go. This is like down at the mouth of where the Gulf of California starts. And you can see this is on the Divergent Fault, and the other one should be the Transform Fault. Yep. And this area is right here. And you can see that there are some underwater seamounts here. Now, you can see we have some volcanoes which are in this areas, as well as over here. And then down here, along this area, in this area somewhere was where that 7.0 earthquake had occurred. Anyway, we're going to look at one more thing that's going on, and we are going to look at the Eastern Pacific. We can see that right over in here, this is the mouth where that earthquake occurred. This is where Orlene is, and Orlene, if we remember, is headed onshore here. So we've just had an earthquake here, and Orlene is headed across land here. Now, if we're looking at Orlene, we should also note that there is another disturbance, and it's got a 60% chance of a cyclone formation in the next 48 hours. This earthquake, this cyclone formation is moving slowly northeastward and northward, and the conditions are forecast to become less conducive for development late in the week. But it says within the next 5 days, the medium is 60%. Now, this is moving this way. So they're both going this way. This one here has a 20% chance of doing something, probably won't be anything. The newest update for this area here, we can see that we have a 20% chance, but a new one has struck up here. Let me go back, since I didn't mean to click on that. This was the one we were watching yesterday, and it has a 70% chance of forming, and it is still moving westward, so it's still going this way, and then it's going to go this way, hopefully it's going to go this way, totally leave. So let's take a look at Windy. Windy is showing the weather patterns for my area. It's been nice and cloudy and overcast and yucky all day long, but that's what you get in this state. But we'll take a look here, as everything appears to be moving nicely off land. I'm looking at these weird spikes up here. Check this out. This is kind of strange looking. There's another one over here too. Birds? No, I don't think so. There's something wrong with the thingy here. This is kind of strange, because if you would look at that, there would be some nice storms going on here. That's weird looking. Let's see what it looks like with satellite. Satellite just shows that it's stormy up here. Even when I go back, it still shows it. Okay, so anyway, that was the earthquake that occurred in the Gulf of California. Let's see if there's anything else that has happened. And checking back for today. Looks like Spain has been getting quite a few earthquakes. South Sandwich Islands had a 5.7. And I'm not going to go look at that one. Mid-Indian Ridge had a 5.6. That's the same as the one from before. Texas had a 2.3. Greece had a 5.1. Mariana Islands had a 5.5. That was for today. So anyways, you guys, if you notice, I have been able to successfully put a store on my YouTube channel. I had started with the making certain things to help somebody out with being able to get a computer replaced, and they have managed to get the computer ordered and replaced, so I won't have to help them to get the funds up now, but I appreciate the people that have helped. Anything that is gotten off of the store now will go towards other things and computer and whatnot, and to help other people. Anyways, just wanted to let y'all know. Today's been interesting. I left my house. I went to go pick something up from my sister and locked my keys in my car and ended up waiting 2 hours. Skylar, bed. Ended up waiting 2 hours for the tow truck company to come unlock my car and let me back into it so I could come home. Skylar, a minute, bedtime. Don't growl at me. You're not an animal.
No, I'm not monster.
No, you're a big girl. Big girls go to bed when they're supposed to.
I'm not a monster.
You're not a monster? Nobody said you were a monster.
Monstrous. Monstrous. The monster.
So anyway, I finally made it home. I was worried at one point that I was going to get rained on because the skies got really, really dark. And I was looking at the sky and I was thinking, oh my goodness. And I got lucky because my sister and her husband were there, so they sat with me and waited with me until the tow truck came. And I was able to sit in their car until I got rescued. Hang on 1 second. Good night. Lie down in your bed and go to sleep. I'm sorry, you guys. I share my room with my granddaughter. I know you're upset, but guess what? It's bedtime. Anna, she got her cup. Let's see, what else has happened today? Oh yeah, I heard the birds this morning, so they're back. I was wondering because yesterday morning it was really quiet and I didn't hear any birds, didn't see any. And I always wondered, I had this biggest wonder, this question. Where do the birds go when there's hurricanes? When there's storms? Where do they hide at? I mean, you know, I just had that wonder in my head, and a friend and I were talking about, do they stay in the trees, or do they outrun the storms and then come back when the storms are gone? I'm gonna have to do some research on it. I'm just curious. Something I was thinking about. Also, let's see what else.
Yeah. Yeah.
I might come back on later and do another video when my granddaughter gets her little butt off to sleep. I just thought I'd get on here, do a little bit of an update, say hi to everybody, and let y'all know what's going on. Yeah, check out my little store. It's under the tabs button. When you look at my channel, you'll see it. Let me show you. Let's go YouTube. Let's see if I can go to YouTube. YouTube. Let's go my channel. We're gonna go my channel. Yeah, my channel. Your channel. So when you go on my channel and you see where my channel is, you go, says home videos playlist community store, and this is like totally cool. Now, one of the things that I can tell you right now is I picked them, but if you look at the sizes on here, there is sizes small all the way through way extra large. So you can pick whatever size you want. I just picked the ones that looked the nicest and stuck them on here. These cups are come in white, gray, purple, pink, blue, all the different colors if you want. So do the hoodies. This is my favorite right here, and I'm going to show you this. This is my favorite hoodie. This is going to be the one that I'm going to eventually get right here. And it's because it's got my little logo on it here. And then this is a design that somebody made for me from my channel a few years back. And I'm going to get this one. Don't know when, but I'm going to get it. Also, just so you know, all of the designs that are made on these were made by me and or made by my kids. This is a painting that I did. I'm going to show you this one. I did this painting, and I designed this one, but I did this painting, and what I do is I do the painting, and you can see down in the corner, I've initialed it. But what happens is when I do the painting, I did the painting, and then I did the picture of it, and then I overlay it with the shirt. You can get this shirt in pretty much any color. You can get it in black, gray, pink, brown, whatever color. That's good. It's good for like hunters or whatever. But yeah, that's a painting that I did, and what I did is I actually took a picture of it and then I overlaid it so that I could make the hoodies. And there's more stuff on the site. Once you click on these things, then you'll find more things through the site that I have. Like, these are the Much Lava apparel. These are different hoodies that we did. These were done with Bella Virga and I a long time ago. And let me see here. Hoodies, sweatshirts. This is my regular site here. This one here is one of my favorites. This one here is another one. All of these, I'm going to say all of them are the ones that I did. This is computer graphics that I did. This is a rose with electric. So that's why I called it the electric rose. I've got that on sweatshirt. I even have it on leggings, which I think is cool. I mean, if you were to get a hoodie and the leggings, I think it would look cool. But I thought I'd share this with you. You can go through the sites and look, and on each one you can find something different. This one here is Electric Eyes. This one is done by Computer Graphics as well. And I think I have this one in hoodie as well. I do. You can get this one in white. and you can get it in gray. I would go with black though. Black seems to be better. And then in the corner, I've initialed it as well. Anyway, let's see. I have wall art. These are paintings that I've done. This is poster, and this is canvas, and they're actually turned sideways so that you can get them. This is another painting that I did. This one here is a tapestry, and these are paintings that I did. I only have that one in white. I didn't do it in any other color. The mugs that I have are Love, Hope, and Peace, NC Explorer, that's the official mug, and Much Lava mug. I know that there's another mug, but I don't remember where it's at. And then these are I do have the Much Lava hoodies. And this is Team Lava, Much Lava. Anyways, you guys, I wanted to show y'all the store. I'm excited about it. I finally got to be able to have a store for my channel, so I have merch now, which is cool. Sorry if I talked about it a lot, but I'm excited. And also, on my Facebook group, I do have, let me see if I can show it to you, if I can find a way to get to it. I didn't lock myself out of it. I'm not going to do it right now, because I don't think I'm logged in. Hang on. Oops. I have a site called Craft Out All the Beautiful Creations, okay? Now, these are all the original paintings that I have done. And if you go to this site, actually you would have to go through my Facebook, but if you go to this site, you can see that all of these are signed. This one is pieced up, and then I did a different one here. But when you click on them, and you do more, the watermark will come off of them when they are purchased. I have things like cell phone case, oops, I don't know how I did that. Okay, hang on. We go back. Let's go this one. I have things like digital image, cell phone case, art poster, ceramic mug, canvas wrap, t-shirt, frame print, pillow. I like the pillow. Acrylic print, photo print, metal print, tote bag, and acrylic block. And I'm also now I have a about us on here, just so you know. I have put the means to contact us, and also posted that we are on Teespring. Now, the stuff that you can't get from Teespring is on this site here, but you would have to find Craft Owl on Facebook. If you find Craft Owl on Facebook, then you'll have the link for this site, because I'm not going to post it on YouTube. Also, what else? I am now currently carrying photography for another friend of mine, and I finally find these to be beautiful. These are my photography here, and then let me see. We have doodles, which is the stuff that I did that's free. J Art, which is my daughter. And this is one of my favorites here. This is one that she and I worked on together, and it's sort of much 3D, and it's zebras. So you can tell. And this one is signed in the initials, which most of our art is initialed. Just, you know, so that when you get something and you're getting an original, you're getting something that's signed by me or by the person that made it. Now these ones are all different. And I will update more and more as I have more. I just haven't put everything on here right now. I do have holiday art. It's holidays are coming up. This is just for fun. Anyway, you guys, yes, I know, I went a long way into it. That's me. Anyways, you guys, I hope y'all are doing well. Hope y'all have a great night. Please take good care of yourselves. Please take good care of each other. Please look out for each other. And much love.